second lang. Iba yung first day ko.
Wala na yung cheese croissant. So, hindi ko siya napanindigan. I have this maybe drink. We're going to Elephant Village. Para sa akin at sa
ไม่เราแม่ขายอยู่คนเดียวนั้นมันไม่เฉยไหนมันไม่ใช่ไอ้นั้นทุกคน
ang dami ko.
อันนู้นแค่
Yes, hot yun. Okay, so we're here at the Bubble in the Forest Cafe. This is one of the trending places to dine here in Bangkok. We just came from the Elephant Village outside of Bangkok, and then we head towards here. It's like almost 2 hours travel time, but it's definitely worth it. We get to feed the elephant and we get to like take videos and photos with them. Unfortunately, I left something there, the mirror thingy that you like stick at the back of your phone so that you can see your face here. So now I cannot see my face because I'm filming on the back of my phone. It sucks, but it is what it is. Yeah, I'm just waiting for the food now. Just waiting for them. They change clothes for the photos and I'm just sitting here and looking out for our things. I'm really excited with the food that we ordered. It's quite expensive here. Ranges around 200 baht and up, but the drinks are 100 baht and up. So I'm really excited to eat because this is going to be our full meal for today. Ayan. Can I just eat my Naantok na po sila. Ito na po yung aftermath ng aming lunch. Happy? Full? Yeah. Tipid naman magsasagot ng mga to. Sabay pa eh. We're here in Pratunam to go shopping. There's so many food here And it goes all the way around this area and the other side as well. Kapan ka? So, ano namang naging experience mo doon?
So for today's video, kain lang. Di ba ako busog pero wala na akong pera. Kaya busog na lang ako. Bawal pala magsabi ng negative.
Ang dami ko palang pera.
Sobrang dami kong pera pero busog na ako. Sobrang dami nating pera.
Ice
Edible ba to?
Devouring this coconut premium ice cream.